The sky is a vast stage on which we can observe the whims that nature elaborates. Even phenomena as common as clouds floating above our heads can take really unusual shapes. So much so that they can remind us of controversial objects or even cause astonishment or fear in those who witness them. But there are not only clouds in the sky, we can also observe other strange phenomena. Here are the 5 strangest phenomena that can be seen in the sky. 5. The fireballs of the Mekong River. Every year, hundreds of fireballs mysteriously appear in the Mekong River in Thailand. The phenomenon is known as Bungfai Paya Nak, or Naga fireballs. Thai scientists have not been able to find a logical answer. However, they speculate that its origin may be due to the ignition of methane and nitrogen gases from decomposing material at the bottom of the river. On the other hand, the natives consider that they are fireballs thrown by the mythological serpent Naga to greet Buddha on his visit to Earth during the Vasa celebration period. In the rest of the world, this phenomenon is known as fatuous fire, considered of mystical character, although others doubt its existence. They have been sighted near swampy areas, and according to some experts, caused by combustion gases. But in reality, in both cases, to give an explanation to their origin is difficult since it has not been demonstrated how it is possible that these supposed gases can ignite. For energy ray, mysterious rays or columns of light have been photographed in many places. Although their veracity is under suspicion, it is a rather strange occurrence. The first recorded ray, which went around the world, was taken from the pyramid of Kukulkan in Mexico, in which a column of light can be seen coming out of the top of the pyramid. Some sources consider that it could be the energy emanating from these pyramidal constructions, and that it was visible at that moment. There is another case that happened in Florida, in which very concrete details can be observed that make us think that the event was real. Even so, it could be some kind of montage, since many photos have appeared that make us question the validity of these events. 3. Northern Lights. The Northern Lights are one of the most beautiful phenomena that can be observed in the sky. You will only be able to see them if you are located between 65 degrees and 75 degrees latitude, since they originate near both poles of the Earth. The official explanation considers that the formation of the aurora borealis is due to currents of charged particles coming from the Sun, which meet the Earth's magnetic field and are directed towards the poles. There, the charged particles collide with the gases in the upper atmosphere. This gives rise to trails of different colors. But there is another theory which contradicts the official one. We speak of the hollow Earth theory, according to which the Earth would house a sun in its interior, and whose main entrances would be located at the poles, through which the light coming from the interior would hit the atmosphere, reflecting in the sky, giving rise to the Northern Lights. There are many indications that this theory could be true, but for the moment, the best thing to do is to enjoy this spectacular beauty. 2. Spirals. There have been cases of spirals and other nocturnal phenomena in the sky in recent years. Although there are many false cases, it seems that these phenomena are sighted in many parts of the planet, and it seems that their natural origin is questioned. The most important sighting happened in Norway. Thousands of people were impressed by this phenomenon. It did not take long for different theories about its origin to appear, which caused agitation in the population and in the media, forcing the authorities to issue an official statement on the event, attributing it to the residues left by missiles launched in maneuvers from a nearby Russian military base. Another spiral was seen in the Canadian night sky. Official sources also attributed the causes to the US military, but this time to the US military. Very similar was the phenomenon cited in Florida, which rather resembled a meteorite, UFO, or strange luminous beam, although, according to the official theory, it was the wake left by the launching of a rocket carrying a US Navy communications satellite on board. We can also observe this phenomenon in Baikonur, located in Kazakhstan, is a military base under Russian control, whose space launches cause these effects in the sky. These lights are produced by the ionization of the gases released from the rocket fuselage during night launches. Thanks to a refraction phenomenon, the rockets are enveloped in huge light arcs, which leave these incredible figures in the sky in their wake. Although it is possible that this type of spirals may be older than we think, so the official theory would be without foundation. 1. The double sun. In recent times there have appeared a large number of images and videos showing what appears to be a second sun shining next to ours, captured in different parts of the planet. The most daring theories try to explain this phenomenon in a catastrophic way, as the approach of a celestial body towards the Earth, or in a more optimistic way, with the existence of a second sun that would illuminate us in the coming times. Both are based on the fact that the luminosity of our sun would not allow us to see the second source of light, which would be behind it. Only the second sun can be visible when the strength of the light emitted by our sun decreases, which happens before sunset, that is to say before it sets. Some say that it is a natural phenomenon, before which the scientists do not agree on the causes of its origin. Others attribute it to an optical illusion or a kind of mirage, which causes a second source of light to be refracted, which is a reflection of our sun. They generally occur near the horizon where the air is heavier and causes this reflection to appear below or above the original. These events have been recorded for several years now. Whether it is a reflection of the sun or another star, only time will tell. After analyzing these phenomena, we see that there is no definitive explanation. In any case, as the human being has done since its origin, we will continue to look at the sky in search of answers, and maybe, someday, we will find them.